Today we are going to learn about leveraging AI for automated assessment and feedback. We'll explore how to integrate AI-driven assessments into educational programs, providing efficient tracking and feedback skills for enhanced learning outcomes. Welcome to our video on leveraging AI for automated assessments and feedback. As educational landscapes evolve, the role of artificial intelligence in assessments has grown exponentially. Today, we will discuss how AI can transform traditional educational assessments into dynamic systems capable of providing real-time feedback and data-driven insights. We'll cover various aspects, from the types of assessments AI can automate to designing effective AI-driven feedback loops. This introduction sets the stage for a deeper exploration of AI's role in enhancing educational outcomes by efficiently tracking learner progress and identifying understanding gaps. Artificial intelligence has become a pivotal technology in educational contexts, especially in assessments. Traditionally, assessments have been manual, time-consuming, and often subjective. However, AI offers a transformative approach by automating various assessment forms, providing instant feedback, and personalizing learning experiences. AI's capabilities in education include adaptive testing, where the difficulty level adjusts based on the learner's responses, and the ability to analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns in student performance. Current trends highlight AI's role in providing scalable assessment solutions, essential for large classrooms or online courses. Its impact on learning is profound, enabling educators to focus on instructional strategies while AI handles the heavy lifting of data analysis and feedback generation. As we delve deeper, we will explore the specific types of assessments AI can automate and how these innovations are reshaping educational practices.
AI is capable of automating a range of assessment types, each serving different educational purposes. Multiple choice assessments are the most straightforward to automate, with AI quickly analyzing answers and providing instant grading. More advanced AI systems can also handle essay grading by evaluating syntax, grammar, and even the semantic meaning of the text, although this requires sophisticated natural language processing capabilities. Skill-based evaluations, particularly in STEM fields, benefit from AI systems that simulate real-world scenarios, allowing learners to demonstrate their competencies in a controlled, virtual environment. Adaptive testing is another area where AI shines, offering personalized assessments that adjust in real time to the learner's performance, providing a tailored challenge that meets their current knowledge level. Both formative assessments, aimed at monitoring learning progress, and summative assessments, which evaluate overall knowledge at the end of a course, can be efficiently automated through AI, freeing educators to focus on more qualitative aspects of teaching. Numerous tools and software solutions have emerged to support AI-based assessments in educational settings. Popular platforms include Gradoscope, which uses AI to streamline grading processes, and Turnitin, known for its plagiarism detection capabilities that are enhanced by AI algorithms. When selecting tools, it's crucial to consider how well they integrate with existing learning management systems, LMS, to ensure seamless data flow and user experience. Key features to seek include the ability to handle multiple types of assessments, offer detailed analytics, and provide customizable feedback options. Scalability is another vital factor, ensuring the tool can grow with the institution's needs. Additionally, a user-friendly interface is essential to facilitate easy adoption by both educators and learners, minimizing the learning curve associated with new technology. As we move forward, we will explore how these tools can be effectively used to design feedback loops that enhance the learning experience. Feedback is a critical component of the learning process, offering learners insights into their performance and areas for improvement. AI-driven feedback loops are designed to provide timely, personalized feedback that engages learners and fosters a growth mindset. Effective feedback consists of specific, actionable insights that learners can apply to improve their understanding and skills. AI enhances feedback by analyzing performance data in real time, identifying patterns, and generating tailored suggestions for each learner. This personalization increases learner engagement by addressing individual needs and learning styles. Moreover, AI systems can continually refine their feedback mechanisms based on new data, ensuring the feedback remains relevant and effective. Designing these feedback loops requires careful planning to ensure they align with educational objectives and support continuous learner improvement. In the following sections, we'll discuss how to address potential biases in AI assessment tools and ensure balanced feedback from both automated and human sources. While AI offers numerous benefits in assessments, it also poses challenges related to bias. AI systems can inadvertently perpetuate biases present in their training data, leading to unfair assessments. Understanding these biases is crucial for educators and developers to ensure equitable learning experiences. Biases in AI assessments can originate from various sources, including skewed data samples, flawed algorithms, or systemic biases within educational content. To mitigate these issues, developers must adopt strategies such as diverse data collection, algorithmic transparency, and regular bias audits. Ethical considerations play a significant role in addressing biases, emphasizing the importance of fairness and inclusivity in educational AI applications. Continuous monitoring and updating of AI systems are essential to detect and correct biases as they arise, maintaining the integrity and reliability of the assessment process. As we proceed, we'll explore how to balance automated feedback with human insights to create a holistic assessment environment. Automated feedback provides the advantage of speed and scalability, offering learners immediate insights into their performance. However, human feedback remains invaluable, providing nuanced understanding and empathetic engagement that AI cannot replicate. Balancing automated and human feedback involves creating a system where each complements the other, maximizing the strengths of both. Educators can use AI to handle routine assessments, freeing their time to focus on more complex, subjective feedback that requires human judgment and expertise. Integrating AI with human interaction can enhance learning experiences by providing comprehensive feedback that addresses both technical and personal development aspects. A hybrid approach not only increases efficiency but also enriches the educational process, ensuring learners receive a well-rounded understanding of their progress. In the next sections, we'll examine real-world applications of AI in educational assessments and discuss future directions for AI in this field.
Real-world applications of AI in educational assessments offer valuable insights into its potential and challenges. One notable case is the use of AI in massive open online courses, MOOCs, where AI systems handle vast amounts of learner data to provide personalized learning paths and instant feedback. Another example is the use of AI in language learning apps, which offer real-time pronunciation feedback and grammar corrections, significantly enhancing language acquisition. These applications have shown positive impacts on learning outcomes, increasing engagement and proficiency. However, challenges such as technical limitations, data privacy concerns, and the need for continuous system updates are prevalent. Success stories highlight the importance of collaboration between educators, developers, and learners to create effective AI-driven assessment systems. Lessons learned emphasize the need for ongoing evaluation and adaptation to ensure AI tools remain relevant and beneficial. As we conclude, we will explore future directions for AI in educational assessments, considering emerging technologies and evolving educational needs. The future of AI in educational assessments is poised for significant innovation, driven by emerging technologies such as machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. These advancements promise to enhance AI's ability to understand and evaluate complex learner responses, offering even more personalized and accurate feedback. Opportunities for innovation include the development of AI systems that can assess soft skills, such as creativity and critical thinking, which are increasingly important in modern education. However, challenges remain, particularly in ensuring data privacy, managing technological changes, and addressing ethical concerns. Integration with emerging educational models, such as competency-based learning and personalized education plans, will be crucial for AI's continued relevance. The long-term impact of AI in education has the potential to transform learning environments, making education more accessible, equitable, and effective. As we wrap up, we'll summarize key takeaways from today's discussion, highlighting the importance of thoughtful integration of AI into educational practices. As we conclude our exploration of leveraging AI for automated assessment and feedback, let's recap the key points. AI plays a transformative role in education, offering scalable, efficient assessment solutions that provide real-time feedback and personalized learning experiences. The benefits of AI assessments include improved tracking of learner progress, identification of knowledge gaps, and enhanced engagement through personalized feedback. However, challenges such as biases, ethical considerations, and the need for balanced feedback systems must be addressed. Looking ahead, AI's integration into education promises significant advancements, with emerging technologies offering new opportunities for innovation. By thoughtfully incorporating AI into educational practices, we can create more effective, equitable learning environments that meet the diverse needs of learners. Thank you for joining us today in exploring this exciting topic.